Welcome in a quick tutorials. In this video I want to show you how you can rotate the image in Hitfilm Express 12 and how you can do the whole animation. So all you have to do is just have an object or image here, go to controls, click here on a rotation. Now click here on the display timeline, and as we can see right now we are in the middle of our timeline. So what we are going to do, we are going to go on the beginning. And now we will go on the end of the video and we will rotate it like this. And now let's play it. As you can see, it's rotating. What you can do, if you want to make it faster, just take the second keyframe like that, and it will go much faster. And also, let's put it like middle, like that. Let's play it. Let's change it like here, like that. Oh, so that's kind of it. Also, let's go like this, how fast it will go. Yep. This is how you create a rotation image animation. Hope it was helpful. Thank you very much, everybody, and goodbye.